Hey YouTube, it's Alicia. I am back with an over excited makeup tutorial that I'm going to be doing for you today. And I will be doing She-Ra, Princess of Power, and I'm going to be doing Frosta inspired makeup tutorial, and I'm going to give y'all a little insight about her. But before I do, y'all know the deal. I always give y'all what I use because I usually pre-prep my face before I start. So what I have used is I have used the Maybelline Master Primer right here, and today I used the Clinique Even Butter makeup foundation in Sienna DN20. And so without further ado, we're going to be using, I think, maybe 3 or 2 palettes, but let's get started. So the first palette we're going to be using is, I'm going to be using a brand new palette where you can see how some of the colors perform. So I'm going to be using Ucanbe Spotlight palette. I'm the first to actually buy this palette, and yeah, I bought this off of Amazon. I haven't seen nobody on YouTube use it, excuse me, and stuff. So so here are mostly blues and turquoise, and we have a brown. So I'm going to take this brown right here and put it in the crease. It's sort of like a little lighter. Oops. It's a little lighter and not darker. So if you see me looking down, I'm doing in the mirror. So while I'm doing this, let me just give you a little insight on Frosta. Frosta is the ruler of Castle Chill. I think everybody know who Frosta is and stuff. I'm going based off of the new, not the newer, the older and things. So yeah. So now we're going to take the same one and hold on 1 minute. I want to go from light to dark, and so looking for the color I'm looking for. I'm just going to have to do this in a way that I can deal with, but I'm going to have to go with the darker one. But we're going to use this dark navy blue right here, and we're going to put it also in the crease and blend it. And I'm sorry, y'all. It's just I don't have some of the colors and things, so we're going to go halfway and thing. But with her, she's, like I said, she's part of the Castle Chill and thing, and doing with her being part of Castle Chill. She is mostly turning out pretty okay for that navy blue. Fine. Let me find another brush. Alright, and then we're going to take this brush right here, and this is from my BH Party Girl palette. And we're going to take this blue right here. We're just going to take it, and we're just going to connect it with the navy blue and thing. So we're just going to come here. Same thing over here. And we're just going to bring it in a little. to take this and just blend it. But, yes, it's Frosta. And Frosta, to me, was a character. And I say a character that She-Ra needed, part of the Great Rebellion. So we're going to take out of the BH Party Girl palette, it's going to take this white right here. And she was just one of my favorite, and we're just going to go right up in here with this tapping motion. Oh my God, it's turning out pretty well. For the first time ever, pretty well. Let's see. Here we go. Let me wipe off this brush. Wiping that off, I'll take this brush and just blend it in a little. Love how it turned out. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna take that white just a little, and we're just gonna do just did a little bit of the tear duct and just finish it off. I like how that turned out. And we're going to take we're going to take this brush right here, and it's this shimmery color right here, and we're just going to add that on the top a little bit, right in the middle. That's it. So while we're doing that, we're going to clean up the edges just a little bit. There you go. I mean, it turned out pretty well. So what we're going to do for the highlight, brow bone highlight, we're going to take this one. And we're going to take out of Canopy, we're going to take this color. We're just going to take that color. All right. Now we're finished with the eyeshadows. And I'm pretty enjoying how it turned out, so I don't have to use the other eyeshadow palette. So what we're going to do is I'm going to scoot over here. And we're going to, let's see, we're going to take this brush and we're going to take the Aspen loose highlighter, and So absolutely fits for this tutorial. Snow Much Ice. And like I said, I love Casta. I'm calling her Casta, excuse me. I love Frosta and everything. She was just, I think, a breath of fresh air. Just a little. There y'all go. So what we're going to do, oh, yeah, dusting everywhere. And we're just going to do a little bit of the nose. It's still on here. There we go. So while we're waiting on that, we're just going to, I am not going to use no powder today. So we're just going to do this. That's all I'm going to do. And then for the blush, oh my God, because I'm thinking of Frosta, we're going to go with something very muted. We're going to do something very, very muted. Okay, my brush I usually, here it is. I'm going to have to use a different brush. And we're going to use this brush right here. And when we do the brows, I'm going to use the Easy Breezy Brow Shape Defining Tint. So that is what I'm going to be using. So let me just look down for a bit. This has just been more convenient for me lately because I love using brow tints than using the pencil, and it works for me. Alright, and for the lips, she has sort of like this pinky nudie lip, so I'm going to try to go with, I'm going to be using lip gloss, and I'm going to be using the NYX Candy Stick lip glow lip color. And if I can find the color, S'mores, please. That's the name of the color. And there you go. This is the look. Let me do a little dusting a bit. I think this look is very wonderful. It's very neutral on the lips for me and thing. But I actually love it. Like I'm saying, this is inspired by the character for She-Ra, Princess of Power, from the original 1985 version. But let me give you, before I go, I'll give a little insight of her. I'll try to doing it. I needed to get through with this. So the character is joins the Great Rebellion during the first season. And she becomes a real good asset for her, like she is. She's the queen of Castle Chill. And I always have said it like that since I was a little girl. I was a big fan. I grew up to the series. And she's, like I said, the queen of Castle Chill. And Loroth, who is, let me just say, I think it's Loroth, how and she goes something saying, she says something in that first episode when you first meet her. Can you keep that pup of yours in check? So you know how we always say, let's check somebody. She's like telling them, hey, check your pup, meaning check your guy. And that was just one thing I noticed. I have it on DVD, and I just went back and I said, I gotta do Frosta. I have so many of these, but if you know a She-Ra, Princess of Power character or He-Man character you want to see over here, please thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.